Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Tell him, look, Daddy, I already fit in my pajamas. Tell him, baby, I fit in my pajamas already. Yeah, you're a big boy. Mama didn't know you were that big already. So we miss you, Daddy. Tell him we missed you. You just heard him come home. See me in my nice pajamas. Tell him. We love you.